Hi everybody, it's 9:22 and just turned 7 seconds on Tuesday, May 29th. Hope everybody enjoyed the Memorial Day weekend. This is the drawing for the X-Men 266 raw copy. Over here on the left-hand side are the 13 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the book. Should be able to get it out in today's mail. Worst case, it will go out on Wednesday, May 30th. Good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here's the final one. 11. Spot number 10, Sean Capriati. Congratulations. Time is 9:23 and 7 seconds.